Hello and welcome to this edition of Did You Know? In this edition, we will be looking at a program called Xello. This is a career and educational planning program for students. To access this program, you're going to go to Parents and Students, and you're going to go to this link called Xello. And when you do that, if the students are on their iPad and they're logged into their Microsoft account, it will come up to a dashboard that should look something like this. Now in this case, Mrs. Brandel has created a mock student here so that we can take a look at the different programs within Xello. The first thing that we're going to look at here is something called Matchmaker. Now when you go through this, the students answer several different questions about their personality and their skills and their likes and things like that. And then what it's going to do is going to populate a list of possible job or career interests. So within this, you can click on the career itself, and it's going to have lots of different information for you. So the description of the job, the tasks, different earnings, and the career path, all kinds of things about that career that would be pertinent. Another thing to look at as we scroll down are going to be different lessons. So you can see there's lessons on personality styles, career factors, etc. And as you can see, these are 30 to 40-minute lessons, and they go through a variety of different things that could be important in helping you select what your career is going to be. Okay. Another thing that we're going to look at here are the Explore options. Okay. The Explore options, again, you can see the careers over here on the side, but it also allows you to look at different schools. So if you wanted to know about certain schools, it gives you all kinds of information on where they're at, average GPA, acceptance rate, size, all those different types of things. And you can see there's a list of majors over here as well that you can take a look at. So lots of things there under the Explore Options tab. And another thing to look at in this category here are schools. Now in this case, it's going to list thousands of different schools. You can see 2,700 different schools, basically most of the public schools across the country that are post-secondary. And you can filter them in different ways here based on enrollment and setting and things like that to kind of narrow it down, since that's such a large list to look at. Another place to explore would be the majors. And in here it has lots of different majors listed and different certificates and degrees, different levels of education that you can get within that degree. And if you click on any one of these, it will give you typical courses and schools that offer it and lots of different types of information about that major. And finally, the last thing we're going to look at is the goals and plans webpage. So as we look at that, it comes up with different careers that you might be interested in. And again, you can click on that and see different information about those careers. And the last thing that we're going to look at here is the course planner. Now this is not, doesn't have all the bugs worked out of it yet, but it should show you the classes that you have taken so far in high school and the classes that you need to finish taking to graduate. But again, this is something that is, if you have any questions, best to contact Mrs. Brandel about. So anyways, that is the Xello site. I would encourage you to go ahead and click around and explore it and find out new things. We just walked you through the basics of the site there, but it's definitely a lot of good resources there for students and their educational planning toward their career. So thank you.